He's not my boyfriend, do you know what I mean? But like...
I understand you.
Yeah, and then they're both passionately... So I was like, do you know what? I'm not going to be here to watch this. It didn't make me feel so... I just felt... I'm not hurt.
Trust me, I know.
Like,
I know what you're saying.
There's a difference between hurt and disrespect.
Yes.
I would be hurt if I genuinely liked and was like so into him. None of that is happening.
Trust
do you understand?
Me, I get what you're saying.
But don't come and disrespect me.
It's not like, oh, you're jealous. No,
No, I'm not being jealous. It's different. Like, you've put a mark on me in this house, and yet you disrespect me in front of everybody. Yeah. Now, because I didn't want to give attitude or like make it so obvious that I was upset. I was upset, but it wasn't her. Like, I'm definitely not her. I don't like anyone in this house like that. Do you understand? I like every guy.
Like, I think.
So like for me,
of this I did.
For me to carry on talking to him, I still know maybe he does like me or maybe it's just all fake. So I don't want to like carry on. Yeah.
Pere.
Yeah.
Pere could not sleep last night. It took a while.
That's his problem. Look, it's a game.
It's a game.
It's a game.
They
asked the day before, didn't they ask me to pick someone and kiss someone?
Pere feels you don't like him at all.
Yeah, that's good for him, and I'm gonna stick to that.
If
that was you, like, be honest. Even if you didn't like him, or even if you liked him, you know.
I will.
Do the dare.
Ridiculous, not just.
But just do it carelessly, like you literally passionately kiss this girl. So it's fine.
It's not jealousy, but I understand.
It's not jealousy. It's disrespect. I'm sorry. If I was jealous, I would have walked out straight away. And then when it carried on happening. And then they're now passionately kissing again and grinding. Even with everyone, but you've told everyone how much you like me, and no guy's trying to talk to me now because of you.